right there.
Do a flip right there.
Woo, Sissy!
You'll be dizzy.
Yeah. What? Be careful, Cammy. Be careful, honey. Be careful, honey.
Push over, Cam.
Can you push? Can you push, baby? Yay! That's a good try. Go, Charlie, go. Go, Charlie, go.
Woo!
Yay! Yay!
Watch out, Charlie. You're gonna hit
Well,
Cam.
be careful. Be careful. Yay!
Charlie's getting weak.
Yeah, be careful, sis. You get too tired. Oh, Cammy.
Come back this way, Sissy.
Is that fun? Be careful. Yay! Ta-da! You want to do it? Here she goes. Boom! Ta-da! Ta-da!
Yay, Cam.
Sissy, did you hit your back, honey? No.
No.
Sounded like it.
She did.
She did it?
She didn't want to
You
get in
hit the
trouble.
TV? Oh, she hit the TV.
Okay, come back this way then.
Well, come here and let me grab that.
What is that?
It's fuzz. It's
Oh.
probably Ellie's hair. It's not a bug, honey. It's not a bug. It's just Ellie's fuzz, probably. Here she goes. Here she goes. Here she goes.
Wow, Sissy.
Here she goes.
Whoa.
Hair. It's just Ellie's hair, honey.
Charlie would love gymnastics.
She would, wouldn't she?
Or that little gym stuff,
Yeah.
you know. Be careful. Oh. Ow, sis. Charlie's like, give me that thing and shut
What
it.
happened? They hit each other?
No.
You okay?
It's
What's that,
fuzz.
baby?
Nah. It's not a buggy, Cam. It's not a buggy.
Whoa, Charlie.
Come here.
Wow, Sissy.
It's okay.
Sissy. Aren't you getting
boy.
tired
Oh, boy.
and dizzy?
Slow
Whoa.
down. Slow down, Cam.
This is what we need to do every night to wear them out.
Yeah. What,
Nana,
honey?
you try it.
Me try
Le?
it? Oh, me. I don't know if I can do it anymore, honey.
Oh, no. What happened?
Honey, I don't think I can do it anymore.
No, it's not. It's just
I don't
warm.
think I can do it anymore.
It's just warm. It's okay. We'll do it. What's Nana? What's Nana?
Shut up. Oh, shoot, it went off, didn't it?
It did.
It did.
Oh, no.
We'll fix it. Charlie, say upside down.
Charlie, clap popcorn.
Yes?
Le?
Where's the... Here it is.
Good. You like popcorn? Pop? Yes? Oh, wow. So you bite, Sissy. Don't
Yes.
get your hands full.
Jim
now.
up.
Whoop. Good job, baby.
You're silly.
Cammy, you little bitty girl.
What's going to be on, Charlie? What's it?
Oswald.
What'd you say?
Oswald.
Oswald?
Oswald.
seems like it's time for Oswald.
It sure does.
What was that?
Blink
Time for
here.
the Tonight Show.
Cammy. You like popcorn?
Papa.
There's Cam.
Then.
Cam.
Sissy.
Mm-hmm.
Then.